Look, guys, we found a real live rooster. See this? Gobble, gobble. Look at this. His wing is hurt. I'm gonna give it this basketball. It's under my deck. And now, for the moment you've all been waiting for, basketball time. Dang it, I keep on missing. Gobble, gobble. Oh, I scared it. Here, I'm gonna get a piece of this Pop-Tart. See? I just can't see the frosting. But you guys know what a strawberry Pop-Tart looks like. I hope. It's so fabulous. Look. Come here, chicken. Come here, little rooster. Looks like a chicken. Kind of. I hope it doesn't peck me. We're about to find out. See? Oh, dang it. See, it won't peck it. Oh my God. I better give it the Pop-Tart. Look at this. Do you guys see this? Right here. It's scared. Ah! I did it. I made a sound. Ah! Watch it. Let's see if it'll chase me. Oh, it's pecking it. It just pecked the Pop-Tart. It's hurt. Okay, I'm scared. Right now I'm scared. Yo, guys, this is scary. There's a real live rooster. Right here, guys. See that? You guys better see it. Yo, this is crazy. Yo, this is epic. He just went behind the grill. I hope y'all see that. He's probably gonna get bit by a tick or something. No, he's still alive. He made it. Let's go give us some food. I'm gonna get some peanuts. Feeding him nothing. I'm gonna give him some peanuts right now.
Chickens don't eat peanuts.
It doesn't matter.
It does too matter.
Oh, he's right behind you.
What the freaking thing?
Yeah.
Where?
Right there, by the grill.
Oh. No, you're not gonna pee on my...
Oh.
Karma.
Okay, I just smashed my finger on this stupid thing. Mother, am I supposed to climb over this?
No, you're supposed to go through the...
Oh, well, this is gonna hurt. I should take it inside. I'm just kidding, no. It'll mess up our little house. Okay, guys, running as fast as I can. All the way around the block. I'm just kidding. Running to the other side, which is way on the other side of the house. So, that was a... Yo, that was crazy.
That's mine. You need to help me get this stuff picked up now.
Okay.
That's what
Okay. She was gonna say but. Promise you.
Two of them!
There's two of them?
Good, Mommy. Give them.
Oh. Mommy, there's two of them. She said okay like she doesn't even care. Yo, there's two of them. some right there. They're eating it. Stop eating it. Yeah, he's not an elephant. I never said he was. They're hungry. If he comes after me, I'm gonna cry. So I got the peanuts.
United, my dude.
And look, there's...
Stop! They don't eat peanuts.
I know, I'm just saying.
If you knew, then stop throwing the peanuts.
I'm not!
You are.
Freaking freaker! You guys know that. Freaking peace girl. Look. There's two of them. Oh God, he's coming to me. You know he's very close to you. What if he pecks you? Would you cry? They're both hurt. No, they're both crying.
Don't attack me.
No, look.
Nobody cares.
His left wing is hurt. Luke, someone's left wing is hurt. Please don't come after me. I'm gonna cry. I'm glad they can't fly. I hope. Good. They're not chickens. Oh yeah, they are.
Roosters.
Ah, the roosters. God, they thought I was coming after them. Don't worry, guys. Yo, this is nuts. Really nuts. They're coming after you. Yo, they're coming after my sister.
I am not your mother.
I'm making that sound. So, guys, if you hear it, then that's me. Okay, that's a chicken. Now this is me. I was joking. God, they're coming to me. Solana, distract them. Serve them peanuts. Yo, this is nuts. You guys all see that? There's two of them. Yo, this is nuts. Yo, this is the best day, yo. I know. I need to shut up. Hey guys, I hope you subscribe. Please give us some likes and put a big thumbs up. Thank you. If you really like this video. I mean, you don't have to. This is epic. Keep watching more videos of insane creatures. Really, I'm going to call it insane creatures now. Okay.
What else are you this video about?
No, when I watch insane creatures that are mostly at the barn or somewhere. Like if a cow, a calf, a rooster like right now.
Gonna come out of nowhere to our house and be like, moo, bro.
A killer clown. That'd be perfect.
No, there's nothing.
A bird. My sister. I'm just kidding. My sister is a wild animal. Not Peace Girl. I mean Flower. Guys, I met her in Pills and Potion and Yachtanice and yeah. So please put a big thumbs up